Is your roof increasing global warming? Find out how. Global warming potential (GWP) is a critical metric in understanding the environmental impact of various substances, including those used in building materials like roofing. The choice of roofing materials and the design of roofs can significantly influence the building's overall contribution to global warming. This issue is not just about energy efficiency, but also about the broader implications of material choices and their life cycle impact on the environment. Roofing materials vary widely in their thermal properties, durability, and recyclability, all of which affect their global warming potential (GWP). GWP is a measure used to compare the abilities of different greenhouse gases to trap heat in the atmosphere. It's a way of quantifying how much a particular gas contributes to global warming over a specific period, typically 100 years, compared to carbon dioxide. The role of roofing materials in global warming. Different roofing materials have different GWPs, primarily due to the energy consumed during production, their durability, and their end-of-life disposal or recycling processes. For instance, traditional asphalt shingles are a popular choice due to their cost-effectiveness and easy installation. However, they have a higher GWP compared to more sustainable options like metal, slate, or clay tiles. The manufacturing process of asphalt shingles is energy-intensive and emits a considerable amount of CO2 and other greenhouse gases. Furthermore, these shingles are often replaced every 20 to 30 years, contributing to landfill waste unless properly recycled. Every day in the United States, approximately 66 million asphalt shingles are discarded into landfills that are already overflowing. These shingles can take 200 to 300 years to decompose, during which time they release harmful pollutants into the air, waterways, and groundwater. On the other hand, materials like metal roofing offer a lower GWP because they are often made from recycled materials and are 100% recyclable at the end of their life. Metal roofs also reflect more sunlight than asphalt, reducing the amount of heat absorbed by a building and thereby decreasing the energy needed for air conditioning. This reduction in energy consumption directly translates to fewer carbon emissions, which is beneficial for reducing a building's overall GWP. Green and cool roofing solutions. Innovations in roofing technology have also introduced green and cool roofs, which can dramatically reduce a building's GWP. Green roofs are covered with vegetation that absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. They act as natural insulators for buildings, reducing the need for heating in winter and cooling in summer. This natural regulation of temperature reduces the reliance on fossil fuel-based energy sources, which directly lowers GWP. The cool roofs are designed to reflect more sunlight and absorb less heat than standard roofs by using materials that are highly reflective, such as special coatings, tiles, or shingles. By reflecting more sunlight, these roofs maintain lower surface temperatures, thereby reducing the urban heat island effect and decreasing the building's energy consumption. The impact of roofing on life cycle assessment. Considering the life cycle assessment (LCA) of roofing materials is crucial in evaluating their GWP. LCA examines the total environmental impact of a material from extraction and manufacturing to disposal or recycling. Sustainable roofing materials might have a higher initial cost or energy use, but often offer reduced environmental impacts over their life cycle. For instance, slate and tile roofs, while more energy intensive to produce, may last over 100 years, drastically reducing the need for replacement and the associated environmental burdens of manufacturing and disposal. Moving forward with sustainable roofing, the choice of roofing material and the design of roofs should be made with consideration for reducing global warming potential. Building owners, homeowners, developers, and city planners should prioritize materials with lower GWP, invest in sustainable installation and maintenance practices, and consider the benefits of innovative roofing technologies like green and cool roofs. This approach not only mitigates the environmental impact, but also can lead to long-term financial savings through reduced energy costs and government incentives for sustainable practices. Also, consider adopting eco-friendly roof restoration and preservation methods with the right green coatings and casement for sustainable building management. Here are some compelling reasons to choose this approach. Extended roof durability. By restoring rather than replacing, you minimize the environmental impact of frequent roof replacements. Sustainable materials. Using eco-friendly materials from production through to disposal helps reduce your environmental footprint. Energy efficiency. Cool roofs with reflective coatings decrease the need for air conditioning, thereby lowering energy consumption and emissions. Reduced waste. Opting for restoration over replacement reduces the volume of roofing materials ending up in landfills. These practices not only benefit the environment but also offer long-term savings and efficiency. Information points, global warming potential explained. GWP measures how much a gas contributes to global warming over a specific period, typically compared to CO2. Impact of roofing materials. Different materials have varying GWPs due to factors like production energy, durability, and recyclability. Asphalt shingles vs. metal roofs. Asphalt shingles have high GWP due to energy-intensive production and excessive disposal challenges, whereas metal roofs offer lower GWP due to recyclability and energy efficiency. Green and cool roofs. Implementing green roofs covered with vegetation and cool roofs using reflective materials can significantly reduce a building's GWP by improving energy efficiency and reducing urban heat islands. Life cycle assessment (LCA). Evaluating the full environmental impact of roofing materials from production to disposal helps in understanding their true GWP. Sustainable roofing choices. Opting for materials and designs with lower GWP supports long-term sustainability and energy savings. Encouraging sustainable practices. Building owners and planners should prioritize low GWP roofing to benefit from reduced environmental impact and potential government incentives. Future-proof building practices. By adopting greener roofing solutions, we contribute to a sustainable architectural future, helping mitigate global warming effectively. To sum it up, the impact of roofing on global warming potential is significant but often overlooked. By choosing appropriate materials and technologies, we can dramatically reduce our buildings' environmental footprints and contribute positively towards combating global warming. It's not just a roof over your head, it's a choice for the future of our planet. You may like this quote from John Kasich, American politician and author. If we intend to provide a better life and a better world for future generations, we can't ignore the quality of the environment we leave them. What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening and see you on my next episode.